So today was actually the hardest day so far on Rus to Sahara. We started in Madrid, drove 5.5 hours, which felt like 10.5 hours to me in the Pearl, to make it all the way down here to Almeria, which is where we are taking the boat into Africa. Although it's not actually Africa we're going to, it is. But initially we're going to land in a place called Melilla, which is like a little part of Spain, about the size of this car park. In Africa, in Morocco. So from there we'll cross the official border. We're here at the port, we've all made it safe and sound. No cars have had any major issues, although Ross has been nursing the Nissan. He seems to be overheating quite a bit, so he actually left, I think he left like 8 in the morning, didn't do a briefing and went straight down to Almeria, and he has narrowed it down to the radiator that he's got on the car is an aftermarket one and it's not as efficient as the correct genuine radiator. So he has actually managed to find a genuine radiator here in Almeria. So overall it's been action-packed so far, but the trip is really just starting, because when we get to Morocco, that is where all the fun begins. So I cannot wait tomorrow morning to start sharing all these incredible things that we're going to be doing in Morocco for the next 7 days. It's going to be great. We're just about to drive onto the boat, finally! Try and find some shade to this bit. Jesus, that sun is like a ball of fire. Oh wait, it is a ball of fire. I forgot to take my antenna off, hence the face.